Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 VW ID3 Pro Family. This car comes with the 58 kilowatt battery, which returns up to 257 miles on a full charge. And this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and comes with full service history from VW. This colour is called the Glacier White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, we've got the nice clean interior and having the light grey on the seats certainly brightens things up inside. There's two armrests for the front passengers and some cup holders in the centre as well. And then off the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and the driver's door card. You then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And being this model, you've also got the full-length glass roof as well with a blind, so that lets in plenty of daylight. Rear passengers are treated to a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, much more than the VW Golf. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have 2 charging ports there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the boot, the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath if you wish, or you can lower it completely to increase the volume. And below that, you've also got some storage there for your charging cable. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch wheels, and a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.